So your core. And that's where boxers bob and weave comes from.
Violence destroys. Weaponizing is the counter strategies to violent criminal assault. Hey, I'm Greg LaBeouf, aka The Violence Guy, and I'm sharing with you how I went from the victim of a brutal attempted murder to mastering the tool of violence and protecting myself and family, and how you can do the same from the safety and comfort of your own home. Welcome to Weaponizing DIY.
If I start with my feet neutral, when I step up to the female triangle and I go out with the right, that right hand passes across the head. So like as if a jab's coming in and my right hand pads and my left hand drops down, covers kind of my kidneys, my stomach. I come back to center and its left hand comes across when I go left. So when I go right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. I'm going to do it without changing leads. It is just like an oblique crunch. So if your hands are up, you crunch your obliques, crunch. And the left, crunch to the left, left hand parries. Come back to neutral, crunch to the right side, right hand parries. And you would just go left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. And he'd have you just step that. So when you step forward with the right hand comes across, slides right back, left, right, left, right, left, right, left.